Welcome to Odd One Out Verbal Reasoning, Section 3, CGP Test 4, Pack B1. This is what the question should look like. You have 6 minutes to complete this section, 18 questions. 3 of the words in each list are linked. Mark the rectangle under the word that is not related to these 3. So I'm going to explain how I do these types of questions. The first step is to pick 2 words you know. Give and grab, are they the same? No. So pick a word to join the group. Seize and grab, they are the same. I want you to loop them up. Which other word also means seize? Snatch. So the answer is give. Question 2. Diamond, ruby, silver, emerald. Pick 2 words you know. You might know all of them, it doesn't matter. You're going to narrow the search. You're going to make it easy for you to do. So diamond and silver, are they similar? Maybe. You might be a bit unsure. Okay, how about let's pick the other 2, ruby and emerald. Are they similar? Yes. Red, green. They're both stones. Diamond is also a stone. Silver is the answer. It is a metal. Question 3. Courgette, lime, broccoli, celery. Pick 2 you know, broccoli and celery. How are they similar? They're not just foods, they are vegetables. Which other one is a vegetable? Courgette. The answer is lime because that is a fruit. It's a juicy fruit. It's got citric acid in it, just like oranges, satsumas, clementines, those kind of fruits. Not apple, that's got ascorbic acid. That's why it tastes a little bit different. That's why limes, oranges, they taste very juicy because it's got citric acid. Question 4. Assure, connect, fasten, tether. Pick 2 words you know. Connect and fasten. Are they similar? Yes, so you loop them up. Which other word also means connect? To tether. To hold something firmly in its place. The answer is assure. You might assure your best friend that things will be okay. You give them confidence. To assure someone. Self-assurance is self-confidence. Question 5. Logs, coal, kindling, fire. Logs and coal. 2 things that may be used. But then kindling could be the new word. Now sometimes this happens. There could be 4 words and one of them you might not be sure. That's okay, you can still get it right. Kindling, you have to kind of guess. Is it some item you put on a fire? Or maybe it's a small fire, and that's the thing. Today you have to guess, and the fact that I know it helps. Kindling is actually a small type of logs. I'll put a picture here pretty soon. Small sticks you put on a fire, so the answer is fire because the 3 items on the left looped up, they're all stuff to do with creating a fire. Question 6. Result, goal, aim, target. Pick 2 words you know. Goal and aim mean the same thing. Which other word also means goal? Target, so the answer is result. There was one more here at the bottom, so question 7, I'll just put you at the top. Lead, steer, advance, guide. We pick 2 that are you know. To lead, to steer. Yes. Are they similar? Well, maybe you're not feeling sure. That's okay. Pick another word to join the group. Steer and guide. Yes. To guide someone through a certain path. To steer them. You could be the captain of a boat. You are steering them. As the captain, you are guiding the members on your boat. Which also means to steer them, to lead them. So the answer is advance, which means to go forward. Another meaning for advance is you might receive a certain amount of money before you get the job done. You've received an advance payment. Question 8. Track, hound, pursue, intrude. To track someone, to pursue them, they both mean to follow. Is there another word for follow? Well, intrude doesn't mean follow. Intrude might be to break in. So, no. Turns out it has to be hound. A hound is a big dog. But to hound someone is to pursue them, to follow. So the answer will be intrude. Question 9. Previous, former, current, past. Former and past mean the same. What's another word for former? Before. Another word for before is previous, so the answer is current. So all these words are to do with past tense. Current is to do with present tense. Question 10. Piano, trumpet, saxophone, flute. They are all instruments, but there must be a difference between them. One of them is going to be different among the other three. Trumpet and flute, how are they similar? They're both made of metal. You've got that golden exterior for these instruments. They're also wind instruments. That helps. Saxophone is also an instrument you blow into, so piano is the answer. Question 11. Weave, kit, sew, knit. Nope. Question 11. Weave, sew, knit, blanket. To weave is to sew, and to sew is to knit. Blanket is the thing you sew. Really, you see the loops, they're all verbs. That's another way to do these kind of questions. If they are all a certain type of word, like verbs, adjectives or nouns, then we've got the answer. Question 12. Warn, mention, alert, caution. To warn someone is to alert them. What's another word to mention? Help. That they're in danger, caution. So the answer is mention. That just means to say something. The three are to do with danger. That one is just to talk. Question 13. Disc, sphere, orb, globe. Sphere and globe mean the same thing. 3D circle. Another word for that is orb. Think of a Christmas orb, a Christmas globe you might get during the holidays. It's like you shake it and then snow comes out. Here's a picture. Here is a Christmas globe. So that is question 13. Let's do the rest. 14 up to 18. A few more, guys. A few more, and then that is the end of the video. Question 14. Customary, novel, innovative, and unique. Innovative means new. Unique can be new as well, special. Now, which other word also means new? It sounds like a storybook. It is a storybook. That's the other meaning, but it can also mean a new idea. Novelty is a new idea. That is a noun. But here, novel means new. This is an adjective. The answer is customary. This just means normal. So one normal thing for one customary thing for people to do during the holidays, during Christmas, is they put up a tree. Just to celebrate December. Question 15. Hoof, paw, muzzle, foot. Hoof and paw? They're both feet. Hoof is a horse's foot. Paw can be cat or dog's foot. Muzzle. No, that's a dog's mouth. No, that's the equipment. You might put a muzzle on a dog because they could be aggressive. So the answer is the loop will be foot, so muzzle is the answer. They are all feet. This is to do with the mouth. Question 16. Howl, whine, bellow, roar. Howl and bellow? Yeah, shouting. Which other word is like shouting? Roar. Whining, well, you're just complaining. You're moaning. It's not nice to whine, really. Nothing happens. Question 17. Cheat, swindle, devise, deceive. To cheat someone is to swindle them. You could cheat in a game, you could swindle them. That tends to be in terms of cheating someone out of money. And another word for cheating, lying, is to deceive them. So a few synonyms for 17. You could lie. Write these with me if these are new. To dupe someone, to trick them one. To trick someone, and to con them. So a con man is a confidence man. So they say things and they try to convince you. So that's really where the phrase con man comes from. To con someone is also, as you can see here, to trick someone. And finally, the last one, question 18, perceptive, astute, refined, insightful. Let's pick two that we know. Insightful, that means you notice things. Which other word here also means perceptive? Also means notice, perceptive. So they are the same. Now, which other word also can join this group? Well, refined means improved. And astute means you notice things other people don't. So you are clever in that field. That means the answer is refined. Underneath that, you can put improved. So that's it, guys. We have done 6 questions in 18 minutes or so. If we break down that timing, because that can be important when you're doing the 11+, let's break it down. 6 minutes for 20 for 18 questions. This is really 360 seconds per question. So really, it is 20 seconds for one question. See these questions in this timing. It sounds okay. And we can do these really quickly because of the technique I just showed in this video. Step 1, you pick 2 words you know. Step 2, you ask, are they similar? And then you join them up. You loop them up. You can see every question, I just draw loops to show that they're all connected. Now, the words that are all connected means it can't be any of them because they all mean something similar or they're all in the same group. So that is it for today.